Hi there, people. We're playing some Happy Wheels. Let's go. Come on. Screw that then. Let's play some Skyrim.
Daddy, when are you playing Skyrim? I don't know what the fuck to do. You just ride around and kill some bitches. Let's go, Daddy. No, please, no. You wave your hands back and forth. You wave your hands back and forth.
You're next, John D. Let's go. Come on. Daddy, what are these? Oh, they're humps. Like a camel's hump, or like what guy does to a girl in bed? A camel's hump. 'Cause I wish it was happening to me right now. What the hell?
Daddy, I love you.
I wanted that butt so bad. I wanted to lick it and taste it and do anal to it. Last try. Let's try. Come on. But Daddy, I don't want to play that. I don't want to play Skyrim. Yeah, let's murder him. Yay, we got to murder Daddy. It's Grandpa. We're boss. The impossible level. Oh, don't look. There's no Tom Cruise. So it can't be the impossible level if there's no Tom Cruise. Shoot him up, go in the face with my bow. Tomahawk, chop this down, blow. Tomahawk. I'm stuck. I'm changing characters. Santa was born for this role. Get out of here, old timers. Oh God. That level doesn't work. The obstacle course. Maybe the grocery shop lady should. I better not lose. No, not my groceries. Not my spam. No. I'm keeping all my groceries. No, my spam. Yeah, we did it. No, all my groceries. No, my head. My groceries are more important, but whatever. My bread is the only survivor. No, not my bread. Look, I got a pimp to ride. Stop having sex with your what's its face, lady. Oh, but it feels so good. But it's bad for your health. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's ride like this to victory. No, no, we're stuck. Let's go. My booty! Yes! Yeah! We're spinning around the court, around the court. My booty and my spine and my vagina really hurt. They really hurt. This thing has good sex. Restart. We're flying up in the air, flying up in the air. No! You can't jump on that, obviously. By radar for you. Damn it. Failure? How nice are you? Couldn't you say nice try, but you failed, you little suckish bitch. I feel much nicer about hearing that than failure. No, I keep on failing this part now. Damn it. Why does it always have to get disconnect? That's what she said. Oh my god. I think I have to wheelie across this thing. Nope. That made it worse. Now I gotta do it nice and slow. Keep all my groceries. No! You have to go fast. Yes! We did it with our chips and our Coke. No, we lost everything. My Coke my grandfather wanted. Here we go. Whoa, why are we going so slow? Good. Oh god. Change our character. Daddy, what are we playing? Oh, this is the fun, dangerous level. But Daddy, I don't want to do the obstacle course. Please, please, please. Well, you're too young to make decisions. Yeah, we did it, we did it. Oh, now not of mine. No, Daddy, 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 Daddy. I'm so ashamed of you. I'm so ashamed. Wanna do a wheelie, son? Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. You gotta do that shit. Thank you. Look at this, son. You can't do this shit. You're not good enough yet. Yeah. Oh, and look at this. Watch, I'm gonna avoid the mine. What? What? Daddy, no! I wanna see myself.